Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to connect your JBL Quantum 950 headphones to your application. On your PC you need to do the process of verifying your headphones, but on your phone you need to. So on your PC just download the application, but on your phone install it and now do the same as I do. Plug in your microphone and tap connect. The connect should be automatically there if your headphones are turned on. And as you can see, I have them now remembered, so let me do one simple thing. So now, as you can see, we need to tap connect back again. And now, once your microphone is here, you need to just now hold this microphone button and do the short press on it here. You need to short press like this, until you see that you have the Bluetooth connection prompt on your screen with this LE. And that's it. I hope it helps you, and goodbye.